Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I made a simple email AI agent and made this work properly. In this video, I will walk you through a simple and yet powerful AI agent that automates conversation and takes real-world actions, specifically sending emails automatically using Gmail. Everything begins with a trigger. Whenever a chat message is received, the workflow is instantly activated. This makes the agent responsive in real time, whether the message comes from a user, a support chat, or an internal system. At the center of this workflow, this is the AI agent. This is basically the brain of the system responsible for understanding the message, deciding what to do next, and executing actions intelligently. The agent is powered by an OpenAI chat model. This enables natural language understanding, contextual reasoning, and high quality responses, just like a human assistant. To make conversations more intelligent and consistent, the agent uses a memory component. In here, I use simple memory. This allows it to retain context across messages, remember previous interactions, and respond more naturally over time. Once the agent understands the user's intent, it can take action. In this case, it uses a Gmail integration to automatically send an email without any manual intervention. So the full flow is simple and effective. A message is received, the AI agent processes it using a language model and memory, and then performs a real-world action, sending an email through Gmail. This setup can be used for customer support, sales, follow-ups, internal notifications, or any workflow that requires intelligent automation. Now I will show you a demonstration. Let's say I will edit the mail of my company mail. I change this name to LV. Let's see if it works or not. Let's check. Congratulations to me. You see that the message came perfectly that hi Alvi. Unfortunately, I cannot attend the event tomorrow. Best regards. And that's how you can build a simple yet professional AI agent that connects conversations to real actions. Thanks for watching.